So, as I mentioned in the last video, you really need to know your why. Whenever you take care of something in your life, whenever you start a project, whenever you get into a business, whenever you make plans, always ask yourself why first. So there's the awesome book from Simon Sinek, which I really want all of you to read. It's called Always Start with Why. So really, you need to know for yourself, why do you want to do this? Why do you want to achieve this? Why do you want to change yourself in this certain field of life? And in our case, why do you want to get out of bed? So therefore, it's really important that you have a clear goal, a clear focus, and a clear vision that really helps you to get out of bed motivated. The whole launch sequence we talked before in the other video isn't working if you don't know why you want to launch this rocket. So really set yourself some goals for the next day. Do this, let's say today in the evening, set yourself some goals, what you want to achieve in the next day. Have a clear vision what you want your next day to look like. There's an awesome trick that you can use, and it's called the checklist manifesto. The checklist manifesto simply means like to start your day by working off certain points from your to-do list. So basically you add 5 to 7 points on a to-do list you really want to achieve first thing in the morning, and then you get up, you take a look at your list and you achieve the first task, cross it off. Achieve the second task, cross it off. And once you've crossed off at least the second or third task, you're already in a flow, and it's kind of, we all know this when we take off something from a to-do list, when we already achieved something, it's momentum building up, there's huge energy growing inside of us. With everything we achieved, we want to do more and more and more. So therefore this checklist manifesto helps us to really achieve something. So the cool idea is to have some easy tasks in the beginning that are really easy for you to do, but they help you build momentum. So basically, one of the first things you should do in the morning, or probably the first thing as soon as you get out of bed, is to make your bed. So this is kind of an army drill from the military, because every soldier learns the first thing to do in the morning is to make his bed. Because if you don't want to do it immediately, probably you won't do it at all, and then you come home and then you don't have a made bed to lay in. So basically, if you don't do this important thing first, probably you will regret it at the end of the day, because during the day there's so much distraction. But if you do it immediately in the morning, this is a simple habit, and I for myself, I do it every morning, and it really helps me to focus on, to reflect, and to really help me to kind of get into a mood of being productive, achieving something. And simply by making my bed every day in the same way, really putting it nice onto the bed, the pillow, everything exactly in his spot. This really is some kind of a ritual that guides me, or that gets me starting for the day. And once I have done this, I can cross it off from my list, and I already achieved the first point of my checklist manifesto. I can move on to the second thing. Second thing, I drink at least 2 glasses of water to really refresh my body. Then I go to the bath and put some cold water onto my face. So basically there I follow this water from the inside and water from the outside approach. So this really helps me. Then I do some push-ups, some pull-ups to really get also my body motivated for the morning. And then there are several other things I can do. So I'm really playing around with this morning habit things. So for example, right at the moment I do this 7-minute journal. This is actually it's called 5-minute journal, but there's another version which is a 7-minute journal. So the 5-minute journal isn't for myself. The 7-minute journal is something that I tried to invent myself. So simply by taking something already existing and customizing it for myself. So another way what I sometimes do in the morning is take long walks and listen to audiobooks and ebooks. So basically there are many ways how you can get productive in the morning. I'm going to go to these 2 things later on in the next videos. What I want you to recall from this is to really know why do you want to get out of bed, to really see a purpose behind your idea, and to try to work with this checklist manifesto, which is simply some simple tasks you can easily achieve in the morning simply by crossing them off and working one to the second, to the third, and so on. This really helps you to build momentum. You can use this momentum to carry you throughout the whole day.